coming to the reasons for incompleteness and limitation of this particular system. There can be two basic reasons for incompleteness of accounts. First is that people who are responsible for maintaining accounts do not have proper knowledge of accounting principles, and secondly, the owner for his convenience purposes might actually want to record only the important transactions of the business. So for convenience purposes, owner records only the important transactions. Now students, the first one is that people who are maintaining the books of accounts do not have proper knowledge of accounting principles. They do not know about double entry system or have imperfect knowledge about that system. Hence, they actually end up making accounts which are not complete. And the second case is that for purpose of convenience, the owner himself wants that only the record of important transactions be kept. Now students, what are the limitations of this system? Limitations of accounts under incomplete system. Limitations. The first limitation under this system is that trial balance cannot be prepared. Since double entry system is not followed, so trial balance cannot be made. Cannot be prepared. Now, since trial balance cannot be prepared, that means the exactness of accounts cannot be judged. Now, coming to second limitation. Second limitation is, since accounts are incomplete, hence correct profits cannot be calculated. Now students, since correct profits cannot be calculated, it brings us to the third limitation. And the third limitation is analysis of results and performance is not possible. And in case it is possible, then it is not very meaningful. Then lastly, this system is not accepted by tax authorities, by government or tax authorities. So now students, let us just revise the limitations. That is, this system is not following the double entry concept. So it is difficult to make trial balance, and hence correctness of accounts cannot be verified. Then, since the accounts are incomplete, so profits cannot be calculated correctly. Once the profits cannot be calculated correctly, the analysis of the performance for the year and for that matter number of years is either not possible or it will not give you any meaningful results. And lastly, this system of accounting is not accepted by governments or by tax authorities.